Sam Altman, the visionary behind OpenAI, is not just thinking big, he's thinking colossal and moving fast. Nearly being ousted from his own company a few months ago due to rumors about achieving AGI, his latest proposal to pour between 5 to 7 trillion into semiconductor production, Altman is stirring the waters of a sector that's the backbone of the AI revolution. In his latest post, he tweeted for OpenAI, "We believe the world needs more AI infrastructure, fab capacity, energy, data centers, etc., than people are currently planning to build. Building massive-scale AI infrastructure and a resilient supply chain is crucial to economic competitiveness. OpenAI will try to help." But who's on board with Altman's futuristic gamble? High-profile talks include discussions with the government of the United Arab Emirates and whispers of interest from giants like SoftBank and the world's leading chipmaker, TSMC. The ambition is clear, but the path is fraught with complexity. A deal of this magnitude is unprecedented. It's not just about the capital, it's about reshaping the entire landscape of technology and manufacturing on a global scale. Yet, as Altman pushes forward, giants like Intel and TSMC have not been standing still. They're already expanding their footprints in the US, India, and Germany. Intel, with help of investors and government subsidies, have invested over $50 billion in Arizona and Ohio, setting the stage for the next generation of chips. TSMC also planning to build a fab in Arizona. Across the Atlantic, Europe is becoming a new frontier, with Intel's groundbreaking investment in cutting-edge fabs in Germany and expanding its technological footprint in Ireland and Italy, with TSMC following suit as well in European locations, reshaping the silicon landscape by 2027. Unfortunately, both Intel and TSMC have announced delays in completing their new fab locations, with some delays going into 2026, which is not soon enough for Altman and the demand for AI compute. The question then becomes, how does Altman's vision fit within this rapidly evolving landscape? And where exactly is this colossal sum coming from? 5 to 7 trillion is the market cap of both Microsoft and Apple, combined at 6 trillion as of now. Nvidia, a current leader in designing AI chips, has benefited the most, with a market cap approaching nearly 2 trillion. With investments that dwarf the GDP of many nations, securing such funding will be a Herculean task. Moreover, what challenges lie in the shadows of this ambitious plan? The race is already on in building more plants, and so far the complexities, coordination, resources, and engineering required has revealed as expected. Chip fabs can take years and delays are expected. Just last month, the media was reporting rumors that Altman was working with iPhone designer Johnny Ive in releasing a consumer-level AI device. And now, Altman has a new plan to enter the chip-making space. The man has a hand in everything when it comes to AI. The space of AI has already been on a sharp trajectory of progress and change with no signs of stopping, and more compute power required to fuel it further. With this type of move, for those that believe it, we may see AGI much sooner. That leaves us with an increasing uphill battle with AI regulations yet unaddressed. Deepfakes, identity scams, misinformation, and the other darker side of technology remains. Moving faster is counter to solving these problems. What do you think about this unprecedented investment move? If we're investing vast sums into accelerating AI technology, shouldn't we also put equal amounts of more focus and see more progress on control and safety? Let us know your thoughts and concerns in the comments below. Give us some love if you like this video. If you want to see more like it, subscribe. Thanks for watching.